Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the signal is stable. Connect an active display port or good HDMI cable and make sure the input is fixed rather than auto. Once connected, press the monitor menu button and go straight to power or energy settings. You want to stop the monitor from auto-deciding when to sleep. Make sure the computer is awake before changing options and disable any auto-detect or input auto switch. This prevents the monitor from dropping the input and entering power save. Now in the OSD, navigate to power save mode and explicitly set it to off. Do not rely on partial or adaptive settings. Also disable Energy Smart, Eco, Deep Sleep, and similar features. These are the settings that trigger entering power save. Once done, check for a firmware or OSD update in the monitor menu. Newer firmware fixes signal detection bugs. If settings look inconsistent, perform a factory reset. Then reapply power save off and fixed input source to lock the behavior. Finally, align the computer to the monitor. Set your OS display sleep to never and disable USB selective suspend if using a USB hub. Update the graphics driver and, in the GPU control panel, disable adaptive sync or display port power saving options that can cut the signal. If the monitor still enters power save, swap the cable and test with another PC to isolate the fault. If it persists after these steps, contact Dell support. Describe the exact OSD settings and tests you performed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.